Morning, everybody, and welcome to the briefing on Tuesday, the 18th of May. Usual stuff. We'll go through the weather, operations, and any relevant airspace. So, we seem to be in a process of monkeys drawing on the charts again. Squiggling sort of decaying fronts and trough lines everywhere, and it's all about timing, really. Today we might be lucky and avoid the hefty showers. We might not. Who knows? You can see this is the midday chart. They're putting a weak occluded front across the top of us with a southwesterly airflow, and that runs for most of the day and into tomorrow, really, with a little ridge of high pressure just building tomorrow. So fingers crossed, it might be better for tomorrow afternoon. TAFs, Farnborough, 256 knots, broken at 100 feet. Well, it's sort of probably a bit better than that here now, and then becoming between 6 and 8, 10k biz, no significant weather. Few at 1500 feet. I think that's what will happen fairly quickly here, hopefully. And then they're forecasting sometime between 10 o'clock and 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 7,000 meters showers and rain, 30% probability, variable 15 gusting 25, 3,000 meters thunderstorms and rain. I like the variable gusting 25, could come from any direction. So yeah, you'll see in a second there is a sort of little squiggle of rain coming in. Could hit us, could miss us. Upper winds are basically southwesterly, 240, 250, 20 knots. I suspect on the ground it'll be split the difference between 2.3 and 2.7. So we'll take a look at it when we get out there, which one we go for. But reasonably fresh at flying heights, I think, over us and to the south of us. Sat pic is showing. This is the intense showers out to the west, and they still are a long way away. They're over sort of Plymouth at the moment. The cloud here is the stuff that's coming over us in the last hour or so will dissipate fairly readily, I think. And just show you on the rainfall radar, there's this sort of wodge of showers. We could be lucky. The worst ones could skirt to the north of us. Hard to say, really. These things have a habit of sort of going in all directions, really, sort of curving back round. So we'll keep an eye on those during the day, but I certainly think we've got a flyable morning ahead. Temperatures by this afternoon, 14, 15 degrees, so it shouldn't feel too bad in the light winds. And the soundings really show you what we've actually got today. You can see how the lines here, that's the lower level instability, come together to give us sort of cloud base, probably late morning, early afternoon, 3,500 feet. But then this unstable line all the way up through here to about 25,000 feet is essentially what's going to cause the showers once you get cumulus heading this way. It's minus 30, minus 40 up there, really cold. You're going to get showers, and that's the case. That's at 1 o'clock. Same sort of picture at 4 o'clock. Very unstable to 25,000 feet. And the actual Lark Hill this morning isn't much different, to be honest. You can see once it actually gets enough mixing down in here, we're going to get some cumulus, and then we're going to get instability all the way up to about 8,000 meters. So that's the reason why we're getting showers today, folks. Very unstable air all the way up to a reasonable height. Top meteo, they're showing what we've got now, so that's 9 o'clock. By 11 o'clock, should see cumulus base, going up 2,500 feet maybe, and they're showing the progress of the showers here. I think it might be a little bit further west at that time. By 1 o'clock, they're showing the showers over us at 2 o'clock. I think that's probably 2, 3 o'clock maybe. They get here, and the BBC were showing that sort of timing, but very slow moving, I think, when they're around us. Cloud amounts, sort of thermals. So from 11 o'clock, should hopefully be soarable for a bit, but then the showers start to build. I suspect it's going to be beyond midday, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and possibly loiter around us and over us for most of the afternoon. I think the really heavy stuff with the thunderstorms will have gone past us by then, but unstable air still, so good chance of showers right into the afternoon and possibly into the evening. Okay, so airspace wise, quite a few things going on. A bit further away from us, nothing really locally, as you can see here. We're around here. Southampton's hours, they're beginning to come back, aren't they?
They're pretty much,
yeah,
unusable now for us.
Yeah, their hours are beginning to come back to sort of normal. If you look Monday to Friday, 5:30 to sort of 6:30 to 20:30 local time, and then at the weekends they're active all day. So I think our days of playing in there on a weekend afternoon have gone, unfortunately. The temporary danger area at Keevil, they've activated again today. We apparently be able to get some data on it fairly shortly from the CA on how often they actually use it, but they seem to be activating it every day at the moment. And the other one is temperature controlled airspace going out of Bryce Norton this morning. That's 11:15 to 12:15. And then they have this airway here with a similar sort of timings, 11:15 to 12:25. And really locally to us, that's about it, to be honest. Fairly quiet. Activity at Sywell, up to 5,500 feet for aerobatics and air displays. That's pretty much ongoing every day at the moment. Operationally, we'll make the decision when we go out there.
27's easier.
27's the easiest option, I think. I haven't had any notifications of jet movements. No jet movements. They could spring a Navajo or two on us, but that's not unheard of. So we should get some flying in today, folks. I think we get the gliders out and see how it goes. Hopefully see you out there.